Thought I'd show you my layout today. I got all the insulation out, and so my tape measure at. So I always like to lay things out on paper and make them really simple and square. So that's the bed. That's going to be the closet and bathroom. That's another closet, countertop, and this will be the living area. And to make this to scale, 7/64 equals 13 7/8 inches. So that makes everything work out really easy on that. So. Just kidding. So I'll show you how I really kind of got it laid out. So this one, and that one is the size of the bed. That's a queen bed. I like to keep my bed made, so I want to be able to walk around the sizes. I could turn it crossways, but I'm going to crawl across the bed and try and tuck everything in on that side on my hands and knees, or anyway, not yet. So that's a 36 shower. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to keep that or not. That's pretty big, but what the heck, I like a nice shower. But that's actually not going to be the stool, but that's where it'll be. This will be the wall here. This will be a stack washer home dryer, just like you use a stack washer and dryer you use at home. Use a gas dryer on it. This area right in here will be closet up against the wall there. This will be the refrigerator. This will be futon, couch, whatever. The kitchen cabinets will start here, countertop. That's 7 feet long, go to there about. And somewhere in here I'm gonna put a recliner because I like my recliner. That's kind of my 3 criteria is the recliner, nice shower, and walk around queen size bed. So for now, that's kind of roughing it out. I was hoping the spray guy would come by today and kind of give me an idea what it's going to cost to spray foam this. So I've got to tear this out. I'm really seriously thinking about taking the bus air conditioning out and doing away with it so I don't have that. Just put a couple of mini splits in. I'm just pretty sure that's what I'm going to do. Because if the bus air breaks down, it's probably $2,000 to fix it, and now the mini splits are $700 a piece. So I got the seat bolted back in. And so that's kind of where I'm at. I will, if the guy don't show up, I'm going to keep laying stuff out tomorrow and see what size futons are and things like that. So that's where I'm at.